What's going on, collectors? Optical 20 back for another video preview. This time it's Mark 85 from the movie Avengers Endgame, and you can pre-order this figure at bigbadtoystore.com. Just click the link down below once it becomes available. And as far as this figure, they look the same way as Mark 50. It feels the same figure because it is. It looks like it's just a repaint, even though this shoulder armor looks a bit more intricate on this one. However, my dilemma here is, should I still get Mark 50? And I think that's what everyone's, in everyone's mind. And I see on forums they were saying, oh, they feel bad for those who pre-order Mark 50. Well, you shouldn't, because Mark 50 is still a pretty good armor, even though I would say this is better compared to the paint scheme. And the head sculpt, which is the Tony Stark head sculpt, I like this better than the recycled Mark 46 and the 50. However, we know what we're getting from Mark 50. It had played a big part on that movie. And we don't know if this is going to be like a Mark 43 in the movie Age of Ultron, where 45 made more of an action scene towards the end. He might wear more than one armor. We don't know that yet, so I don't want to crap on Mark 50 altogether. However, if this becomes the same impact as Mark 50, then in my opinion, and depending on how great Endgame is, and I'm betting it's going to be great, then there's no point in getting 50 in my opinion, because once you get 50 and then this one turns out to be it doesn't need to be better sequence than fight sequence than Mark 50. It just needs to be somewhat out there, because it already has some advantages when it comes to color scheme and in head sculpt, in my opinion. Then having Mark 50 in my opinion would be a bit redundant. Now in my case, I do reviews. I know every Iron Man always gets a decent amount of views, so I'm kind of torn on that. So let me know in the comments down below, what are you guys gonna do? I'm curious to see as well what your thought process is when it comes to this figure, and also Thanos, which I'm going to cover out later. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Would love to hear your thoughts. And again, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram on the link down below. And I'll see you guys in the next preview.